Hi everybody, I wanted to make this quick video to just show you how to use the election lookup tools that you can find on the Delaware.gov site. So I'll show you again, the little link is up there. This is just on the general Delaware.gov site. You can find in the Department of Elections page a couple of different election lookup tools. So this tool over here will let you look up your districts, which will tell you which races you're eligible to vote in for local government. And then over here, the voting locations will tell you where you need to go to vote. So I'm going to use just the address for one of the campuses of Deltec so you can see how it works. So obviously, when you look over here at the districts lookup tool where it says search by address, you'd put in your own address. I'm going to copy and paste in the one that I found online. So this is, okay, so just using one of the campus addresses, you can see that I get a list of the Senate district and the representative district. So you would know that you would be voting in the District 9 primaries and the District 9 election for Senate, and for the House of Representatives for local government in Delaware, you would be voting in District 17. And then there's more information if it's applicable about the different school districts, etc. As far as where you would go to vote, you can use the other lookup tool, which is this voting locations tool. So you can click on that. And it's going to look much the same. And so I'm just going to copy and paste. Obviously, you'd put your own address in here, but I'm going to put in this one that I found online for a Deltec campus. And it's not pulling it up. Let's try this. There we go. Okay, so you can see that your designated polling place actually is, and I thought that's why this is happening, actually is this campus. A lot of our Deltec campuses are polling places. So the designated polling place in this case would be here. And this would be the address that you would go to. So for whatever you typed in as your address, it would pop up and tell you your designated polling place. So this is helpful information for not only the primaries and the general elections that will be happening this year, the midterm elections, but also if ever you wanted to look up your polling place for, say, a presidential election. This would help you. These are some tools to help you out.